Hello, my friends. Welcome to another video here on the channel. Today, we are going to talk about one of the most amazing and popular essential oils in the world, lavender essential oil. If you want to know why it is so loved and how it can transform your well-being, stay with me until the end of this video. Did you know that lavender is considered the most widely used essential oil in the world? That's because it has incredible properties that help with relaxation, stress relief, and even improving sleep. No wonder it's one of the favorites in aromatherapy. Lavender has a fascinating history. From ancient Egypt, through the Roman Empire, to the present day, it has always been valued for its aroma and therapeutic benefits. And France, especially the Provence region, has become the birthplace of high-quality lavender production. But what makes lavender so special? The answer lies in its chemical composition. It is rich in esters, natural substances that promote relaxation, relieve pain, and help regulate sleep. Moreover, unlike some essential oils that can be irritating, lavender has very low toxicity and can be safely used by adults, children, and even pets. Throughout this video, I will teach you various ways to use lavender to reduce stress, sleep better, and even relieve pain. And in the end, I will show you an incredible technique called Lavender Experience that will transform your relationship with this essential oil. So go ahead and like this video and come with me. Lavender essential oil acts as a central nervous system suppressant. Its chemical compounds help reduce excessive brain activity, promoting relaxation. It stimulates the production of neurotransmitters like serotonin, which bring a sense of well-being. But how exactly does lavender work in our body? It is a central nervous system suppressant, meaning it helps slow down excessive brain activity, promoting deep relaxation. In addition, it stimulates serotonin production, the neurotransmitter responsible for our well-being. The esters present in lavender oil reduce cortisol levels, the stress hormone. It can be used in moments of anxiety or worry for quick calming. You know those days when everything feels chaotic and your mind is racing? Lavender can be your ally. Studies show that it reduces cortisol levels, the stress hormone, helping bring balance and calm to your daily life. Lavender also stimulates the production of melatonin, the hormone that regulates sleep. Just add 1 drop to your pillow or use a diffuser in your bedroom before sleeping. If you have trouble sleeping, lavender can be a true natural miracle. It helps increase melatonin production, the hormone that regulates sleep, providing more peaceful and restorative nights. Besides calming the mind, lavender also has analgesic and anti-inflammatory properties. If you suffer from muscle pain or cramps, try diluting a few drops in a carrier oil and massaging the affected area. One of the simplest ways to use lavender is through diffusion in the environment. Just add 10 drops to your diffuser with water and let the relaxing aroma fill the space. In a few minutes, you will already feel the benefits. For quick stress relief, try rubbing a drop of lavender on your temples and wrists. And if you have muscle pain, just dilute the oil in a carrier oil and massage the affected area. Want to sleep better? Mix a few drops of lavender with water in a spray bottle and spritz it on your pillow before bed. You can also apply a drop to the soles of your feet for deep relaxation. Another amazing use for lavender is for burns. If it's a small burn, apply 1 drop directly to the skin. If it's a larger burn, make a compress with water and a few drops of oil. You'll be surprised by its healing effect. Now I want to teach you a special ritual that I call Lavender Experience. This is a moment to slow down and fully enjoy the benefits of this incredible oil. To create your lavender experience, start by turning on a diffuser with lavender. Then, apply a drop to your temples and wrists. Now, close your eyes, take deep breaths for 5 minutes, and feel the relaxation take over you. Did you know that you can enhance the effects of lavender by mixing it with other essential oils? Depending on the combination, you can create a synergy for relaxation, more energy, increased immunity, and even improved concentration. If you want to boost lavender's relaxing effect, Try combining it with Roman chamomile and vetiver to reduce anxiety and improve sleep quality. For deeper sleep, mix lavender, sandalwood, and cedarwood. And if you're feeling emotional tension, a combination with bergamot will be perfect. If you need more energy and focus, mix lavender with rosemary and peppermint. For a motivating and uplifting effect, combine it with sweet orange. And if you want to refresh your mind and improve productivity, try lavender with lemon. To strengthen your immunity and prevent colds and flu, mix lavender with tea tree and eucalyptus. If you want a more powerful action against viruses and bacteria, combine lavender with thyme and lemon. Creating your own blends is very simple. For body use, mix 2 drops of each essential oil in 10 milliliters of carrier oil. For diffusion, add 5 to 10 drops to your diffuser. Now just enjoy the benefits. Lavender is one of the most commonly used essential oils for pain relief because it has anti-inflammatory and muscle-relaxing properties. When applied correctly, it reduces tension and improves well-being. If you have back pain or neck tension, just mix a few drops of lavender with a carrier oil and gently massage the affected area. In a few minutes, the pain will decrease. If you suffer from menstrual cramps, try this blend: 3 drops of lavender and 3 drops of geranium diluted in carrier oil. Apply to your abdomen and massage gently for immediate relief. Lavender can also help relieve headaches. Just apply a drop to your temples and the back of your neck, massage lightly, and take a deep breath to feel the relaxing effect. Did you know that lavender is widely used for treating burns and skin regeneration? Lavender is one of the few essential oils that can be applied directly to the skin, making it ideal for burns, cuts, and irritations. Its healing power accelerates regeneration and relieves discomfort. If you overexposed yourself to the sun and your skin is burning, mix 5 drops of lavender with 1 tablespoon of aloe vera or coconut oil and apply to the affected area. The relief is immediate. If you burned yourself while cooking, apply a pure drop of lavender to the spot. This will relieve pain and speed up healing. For faster recovery from wounds and cuts, make a compress with 5 drops of lavender and warm water and apply it to the affected area. When we inhale the aroma of lavender, it directly reaches the brain's limbic system, responsible for emotions. This helps reduce stress, improve mood, and bring more tranquility. For a more relaxing environment, add 5 to 10 drops of lavender to an electric diffuser. In a few minutes, your home will be filled with a calming aroma. In addition to an electric diffuser, you can use lavender as a spray, on your pillow, or even in your car for an always pleasant environment. Now that you know the incredible benefits of lavender essential oil, you can start incorporating it into your routine to improve your quality of life. Whether to relieve stress, improve sleep, treat muscle pain, or even take care of your skin, lavender is truly a gift from nature. Go ahead and like this video, subscribe to the channel, and activate the notification bell because I always bring content that will change the way you take care of your health. See you in the next video. Bye.